As you've already heard and seen, we have a new machine here at our booth, the VX1, which is part of the company that we've acquired a few weeks ago. We acquired ASM because of a lot of reasons. First of all, our customers and our resellers love the machine. Over 50 customers already using the machine, and we know that the machine works great and customers are very happy, so that was the main reason. And second, we know the team of ASM for a very, very long time. We are working together with them for many years already. And there was also a great personal match, and they are also based in Munich. So I think there were more than enough reasons to do the step together to scale the success of the VX1 now globally. So we are working full steam ahead to make the machine especially ready for the US market, where our resellers and partners are already waiting for it. So we will launch the system in the US very soon.